Everyone, and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Metamask application on your smartphone. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, if you're on iOS, then you will want to go to the iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, just open up the Google Play Store and then use the search box to search for Metamask. Now, from the search results, once you find the Metamask application, just tap on the install button. Now just wait for the download and installation of the application to complete on your smartphone. And once you see the open button, you can simply tap on it to open it up. This will now open up the Metamask application on your smartphone. Simply scroll through the welcome screen and then tap on Get Started to start using your Metamask wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Metamask application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.